right, me and John, we finished swimming today, and yeah, the sun is setting, and I want to make a few notes, right? First note is that when you're booking a room and you have kids, especially in, well, I don't know if in Punta Cana or Casinal, I don't know if all the rooms, all the hotels have it, but this hotel have the rooms next to the kids pool, and since we have kids, we booked the room closest to the pool, so we could be here, right? We could be here, and we can keep an eye on them on the 3-foot pool. In addition to that, we have this drying thing that you pull out, and you put all of the wet clothes on. So by tomorrow, you know, you can not tomorrow, the next day you can rewear these clothes. So basically you want to bring 2 sets of swimming clothes, one for today, one for tomorrow, and then on the next day you reuse this one. So I think that's brilliant. All the stuff is here. We're gonna be going into the ocean tomorrow. So again, we get the room directly at the poolside, on the kids pool. So I'll do an in-depth. I'll do an in-depth video with the room and what we did and what we got and what the rooms looks like and everything else by tomorrow. Right now it's around 6 o'clock, and 6:30 is when the buffet starts. So you want to be in front of the line to get the buffet. Not that it runs out, but we trying to beat the rush. We came in late, so we didn't get to book a restaurant, like an all-inclusive restaurant, which you can only book at the front desk from 11 to 4. And so we came in like 4:35. So that's it. All right, so we're gonna do a whole video about the room, but at least I just want to start this video about the importance of having a poolside room, especially when you have kids. Okay, bye. Welcome. We are lashing breakfast. We have a complaint. What happened?
No, the table. I couldn't find a table, and I had both of them with me.
You couldn't find a table?
No.
Okay.
I had to sit at a dirty table. I said a dirty table. They took forever to come in and just clean it.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. They're good now, though. I like your mics. Yeah. It's okay. This is the same thing as last night. Similar to last night. This is different. We have the egg station. Sorry. Papaya, banana, pineapple, watermelon. Interesting. Oh, papa, no way. Beans. Dessert. Now we got your corn, all olives, capers, bread, more bread. Oh, where did all the cake go? Did they throw it away? All in all, not too bad. All in all, not too bad. What is over here? What's over here? Over here is desserts. Oh, those things. Gotta try some of those. Gotta try some of those as well. It's 10:34. It is packed, but it's doable. It's a little bit hard to get a table, but I think we should try something. But I don't really eat breakfast, so I don't really eat breakfast, so I don't want anything heavy. Definitely come back for some juice. Definitely come back for that juice. And what I'm gonna try today is I like this corn. Gotta have some corn, right? You're gonna have some corn. Hola. And besides the corn, I don't think I want anything else. Maybe some sugar. Ooh, what is this? The reason why I'm eating sugar in the morning is because you need carbs to help you burn the energy. You need the carbs, you need the energy. Especially when going in a pool. Yeah, instead of I guess your muscles locking up. It's best to papaya. Okay, so I want to try some of this papaya. Let's hit the papaya. Wow, look at that. It's pretty interesting. And some of that.
I told you 1 egg for Matthew, but
Yeah.
you did 3 instead. So
Okay, yeah.
just take the 2
So I'll go back.
Look, you want croissants?
I get this thing.
Oh, what's that?
Sweets.
Yeah.
Okay.
I give him 1.
No problem.
All right.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you so much. I should give him a tip.
Hi, Matt. Hi.
Seltzer?
Wait, hold on.
No.
Soda water.
Soda water.
Oh, no, that's all I want.
I got it last night.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I need to get an extra chair.
Sylvie, can I have an extra chair here?
Chair? You said,
Okay. I got it. Thank you.
I'll get you one. Do you want one?
Breakfast time.
Burger.
I just realized there's bread there.
Mhm.
I was looking for bread.
It's against the wall. The glass.
I know, I saw it after.
This is not too sweet.
Oh, is it near in here? It's just hot.
Oh, that's a pool food. But this time,
No
we're gonna
something.
be swimming.
Like Occidental.
Because Mom,
AC don't work too well. Except for the room.
Mommy,
The room is extremely cold.
Yeah, there's a lot of people in there.
the water is not cold. It's really warm. That's how you like it. So can you please swim the pool?
I will.
The first
It's
is
good.
the other
Not too
pool,
sweet.
Like the pool that has so much fun things.
Nice.
That has the best friends. That's you. But Matthew, that pool is deep.
How would you rate the food? I think the food is basic. I think it tastes basic. I think it's fun.
Then the one first, and then the
But
fun,
this is the only place with this.
then the other pool. Yeah, I know.
I've been to the other side.
Okay?
You have to go to the other side as well.
Because fun
Actually,
is
no.
last.
No.
We went this morning.
I mean, you only have coffee. Thanks. You only have coffee.
And to reiterate, the coffee was terrible. That's it. And try this one.
I'm
Come on.
almost done my.
Oh, this is definitely better. Real good. To get reservations booked tonight. I think it's one of those two tables. This is the main. We're gonna go back in a minute, okay? We're just gonna put our names down for a restaurant. This takes 1 second. Look, they're right there.
Where's my boy? What's his name?
Henry. No adventure park, no adventure park. Wait, wait. Wait, she's on the phone. John, come here. John, come here. Stay here. Stay here. She's on the phone. Stay here, stay here. So that's the entrance. That's the highest. These are the desks right next to you.
Are you waiting for that?
Yes,
Yes?
yes,
Okay.
yes. Thank you. Hey, John, Matt, come over here. All the things are booked already? Oh, wow. It's only 11. I'll come tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow morning. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh, great.
Just find me the reason I see myself for you guys because I don't have a place. But it's all inclusive.
Oh, let's go here.
What is it?
This is really nice. This is on the beach.
Yes, what's that?
It's right on my video last night. I spoke about it. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice.
This is for tomorrow. What about lunchtime? Do we do reservation for lunch as well?
No.
So lunch, we go to any of these restaurants?
No, only in the Alcázar. You can have lunch, breakfast, and dinner in the Alcázar.
Oh, okay.
Also here you can have breakfast and lunch, no reservation.
Got it, okay.
Yeah, but we could have breakfast one morning and still be on the beach.
I don't think this is do breakfast.
Yeah, that's what she just said. They do breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Inclusive.
Oh. Oh, they all do breakfast?
No.
Oh, just that one.
At the beach.
I was there today. That was it. I was.
Open?
No? Huh?
It's not open today?
I think I was there. Yeah. I don't know which one I went to.
So what do we do for lunch?
Here, buffet.
And for dinner too, when you don't have reservation.
It's a buffet.
So no restaurant opens at lunch.
Tomorrow.
So we could do lunch here.
Yeah. It's the same buffet, I think.
It's buffet.
Okay, so we'll do this for lunch today. Let's do this for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which is one of the ones you recommend, like everyone loves?
It's the big ones you like it because all is good. All is good.
Oh,
This is one steak.
this is
It's steak, meat.
steak, okay.
This is Italian. This
Italian.
is seafood. This is Asian. And this is Mexican.
Okay, so the Mexican I wanted to try actually. Or you want to do the steak?
Anyone, today is Wednesday, so Thursday,
We
Friday.
don't have any for tonight.
No.
So let's do the steak for
Can I
tomorrow.
have a room number?
12,
Oh, shucks.
128.
Hold on. I'll tell you. All right. 12, 24, 128.
Oh, 24, sorry. My fault.
So he has Las Risas.
Yes.
Via
So
Venito.
tomorrow, what we do tomorrow?
We do this tomorrow. We do steak tomorrow.
Yeah. Las
Let me check if I do this.
Caracolas.
Yeah,
Orient.
no working tomorrow. It's
Okay.
closed.
Okay. So then we do next one here.
La Hacienda. Yeah. And that's it. You book it at the front desk. You want to go? Who we gonna go, right? Come on. All right.
Where are we
So
going?
we're going to the room.